Let's begin with a gentle warm-up to wake up your whole body. This 15-minute Tai Chi routine helps strengthen your muscles, improve stability, and support belly fat loss with smooth, beginner-friendly movements. Just follow along, move gently, and enjoy each step of the practice. Exercise 1. Three, two, one. Start. Lift your arms smoothly overhead, like opening gentle wings. Keep your shoulders relaxed and breathe naturally as you return to the starting position with control. Exercise 2. Three, two, one. Begin. Sink gently into a wide horse stance as your hands move into position. Stay balanced through the movement and keep your spine tall before returning smoothly to the start. Exercise. Three, two, one. Join me. Lift your knee with steady control as your hands create a balanced frame. Focus on one point and stay relaxed before lowering smoothly to begin again. Exercise 4. Three, two, one. Let's begin. Lower into a comfortable stance as your arms sweep down and gather inward. Move with quiet control and let the motion feel calm and effortless. As your arms sweep low, then open wide behind you, like soaring wings. Keep the motion smooth and feel your chest expand naturally. Exercise 6. 3, 2, 1. Move with me. Rise smoothly as your hands lift together in front of your chest. Let your legs extend naturally and keep the movement light and connected from the ground up. Next exercise. 3, 2, 1. Begin. Shift your weight into a deep side stance while reaching with calm control. Stay grounded through your standing leg and let the movement flow without tension. Exercise 8. 3, 2, 1. Join me. Open your arms wide as you step gently to the side. Breathe easily and allow your chest to expand while keeping the movement soft and unhurried. Exercise 9. 3, 2, 1. Let's begin. Raise one arm overhead in a smooth, continuous motion, while keeping the opposite hand relaxed. Stand tall and feel a gentle stretch through your entire side. 2, 1. Follow along. Sweep your arms upward from the center as you rise with steady control. Breathe in gently and let the movement leave you feeling open and refreshed. Breathe in gently and let the movement leave you feeling open and refreshed. Next exercise. Three, 2, 1. Move with me. Step forward with ease as your arms float overhead in one continuous motion. Keep your posture tall and let the stretch feel light and effortless. Exercise 12. Full body relaxation. Release all tension as your arms hang naturally by your sides. Breathe slowly. Soften your entire body and enjoy a calm, relaxed finish before your next session. Just completed 15 minutes of gentle Tai Chi that helps strengthen your muscles and support healthy belly fat loss. Keep practicing a little every day. Stay consistent, and you'll begin to feel stronger, lighter, and more confident. See you in the next session.